Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send TRX from KuCoin to MetaMask in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, and TRX is no exception. Whether you're staking, trading, or just organizing your portfolio, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a KuCoin account with some TRX in it, and MetaMask installed on your browser or mobile app. Also, double-check that your MetaMask is set up for the Tron network, as TRX operates on the Tron blockchain, not Ethereum's. If it's not, head to MetaMask settings and add the Tron custom network for seamless transfers. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets section and find your TRX balance. Click on Withdraw next to TRX. You'll be prompted to select the network. Choose Tron, TRX, to ensure compatibility. Step 2. Enter your MetaMask wallet address. To get this, open MetaMask, switch to the Tron network if needed, and copy the address from the account details. Paste it into the withdrawal form on KuCoin, and don't forget to specify the amount of TRX you want to send. Remember, always verify the address to avoid costly mistakes. Step 3. Review the withdrawal details, including any fees. KuCoin might charge a small network fee, so keep an eye on that. Once you're happy, hit Confirm and approve the transaction with your KuCoin security measures like 2FA. After that, head back to MetaMask and keep an eye on your wallet. The TRX should appear once the transaction is confirmed on the Tron network, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. A quick word of caution. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so triple-check everything. Also, be aware of gas fees on the Tron network. They're generally low, but they can vary. If you run into any issues, KuCoin's support or Tron communities are great resources. There you have it, you've successfully sent TRX from KuCoin to MetaMask. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.